Hello and welcome to Data Engineering with Subhadip. Today we are diving into the most exciting open source tools that are completely changing the data engineering game. Let's explore the future of data together. So why is everyone talking about open source? The data world is moving away from rigid, expensive tools. The modern approach is all about flexibility, cost effectiveness, and the power of community-driven innovation. This shift allows us to build powerful, custom data platforms without being locked into a single vendor. Today, we're focusing on 6 incredible tools that cover the entire data lifecycle. For analytics, we have DuckDB. For building reliable data lakes, we have Delta Lake and Apache Iceberg. For orchestration, Dagster. For data integration, Meltano. And for transformation, the very popular dbt. First up, the lakehouse. Traditional data lakes were often unreliable. Delta Lake and Apache Iceberg fix this by bringing database-like features directly to your files in cloud storage. Both provide ACID transactions and time travel, but they differ in key areas like partition evolution and community governance, with Delta backed by Databricks and Iceberg being a fully open Apache project. Next, let's talk about moving and managing data. Dagster is a modern orchestrator that understands your data assets, making pipelines more reliable and easier to debug than traditional task-based tools like Airflow. On the integration side, Meltano simplifies ELT by using the OpenSinger standard, allowing you to easily connect to hundreds of data sources and destinations. Once data is loaded, we need to transform it. dbt has become the industry standard for this. It brings software engineering best practices like version control, testing, and documentation to your analytics code. And for final analysis, DuckDB is a true marvel. It's an incredibly fast, serverless database that runs inside your application, perfect for quick, powerful analytics on local files. Let's see just how easy DuckDB is. After a simple pip install, you can write Python code to run complex SQL queries directly on files like Parquet, even from a URL. There's no server to set up, no data to load. In just a few lines of code, we can perform a group-by aggregation on a large remote dataset. It's that powerful and that simple. So, how do these tools fit together? You can use Meltano to extract data from sources and load it into a data lake formatted with Delta Lake or Iceberg. Then, dbt transforms this raw data into clean, usable models. Finally, analysts can query this data with lightning speed using DuckDB. And the entire workflow is reliably scheduled and monitored by Dagster. And that's a wrap on our tour of the top open source data tools. The modern data stack is more accessible and powerful than ever. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe for more content on data engineering. Let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited about. Thanks for watching.